Today I will discuss about pteridophytes. General character of pteridophytes. What is pteridophytes? Yesterday I described about pteridophytes definition. So what is pteridophytes? Pteridophytes derived from Greek words pteron, feathers, and phyton, plants. Feather-like leaves. Pteridophytes have feather-like leaves and seedless plant. Pteridophytes is seedless plant. Pteridophytes include to the most primitive seedless vascular plants that reproduce by means of spores. Pteridophytes reproduce spores. Pteridophytes are considered as the first true land plants that evolved after bryophytes. Pteridophytes are sometimes called botanical snakes, snakes of plants kingdom, or amphibians of plant kingdom, because they depend on an external source of water for fertilization. There are about 11,000 species of living pteridophytes are known, ranging from small aquatic plant to giant tree fern of tropical forests. Pteridophytes do not produce seeds, but rather produces spores. Vascular tissue are present in all the vegetative parts of the plant body. It means root, stem, present in pteridophytes. Vascular cryptogams. It means it is vascular cryptogams. The sporophyte is the main plant body, and it is mostly herbaceous plant. It is differentiated into roots, stem, and leaves. In the pteridophytes, the branching of the stem may be of monopodial or dichotomous type. In the pteridophytes, the leaf may be smaller, it called microphyllous, or larger, it called megaphyllous. Pteridophytes plants may be homosporous. Homosporous plants is producing only one type of spores, or heterosporous pteridophytes is producing two different type of spores, smaller microspores and larger megaspores. So heterosporous and megasporous, two type of pteridophytes. Habitat. Pteridophytes show variation in habitat. Some pteridophytes are terrestrial and grow in moist and shady places, while some are aquatic and sticking in other plant that called epiphyte, or living in residue waste of other plant, saprophytic. Reproduction. Pteridophytes reproduce spores, and the spores germinate to produce a haploid gametophyte called prothallus. The homosporous pteridophytes produce bisexual gametophytes, while heterosporous pteridophytes produce unisexual gametophyte. In gametophyte, reproduction is of oogamous type. The male sex organ are called antheridia and female sex organ are called archegonia. Antheridia produce antherozoids and Archegonia enclose the egg cell. Fertilization require water. Economic importance of pteridophytes. Ornamental value. Ferns are grown as ornamental plants in gardens and homes for their attractive foliage. Drug rhizome and petioles of Drypteris yield an anthelmintic drug. Food Sporocarpus of Marsilia are rich source of starch and eaten for their nutritive value as food. So it is general character of pteridophytes. Some definitions of the terms. Microphyllus. Microphyllus is the leaves with a single vein whose trace is not associated with the leaf gap. They are photosynthetic and much smaller size. Rhizome. What is rhizome? A specialized stem underground that produce adventitious roots. Sorus or sori. Another term for sporangia. Sporangia, it is where the spores are produced. Sporophylls. Sporophylls are leaves that bears sporangia. Sporophyte, the main plant body. Vascular plants. Vascular plants are plants that have food transporting phloem and water transporting xylem tissue. So students, learn it and show it. Take care, use mask, use sanitizer. Bye bye.